The $300 Realme GT Neo6 is so popular, but some netizens are not satisfied and say that I am an ultimate gaming enthusiast. I want to have stronger performance to be equipped with the Snapdragon 8s Gen 3 Realme GT Neo6. Since you want stronger performance, let me give you the ultimate GT mode geek panel too. Oh, but now you see that there are only 3 modes here. When I install the cooling vest, you can see the newly upgraded AI Blue mode. The CPU frame rate adjustment will be turned off and run directly in full frame. At this time, with the help of the exclusive 1.5K resolution Genshin Impact visual definition, the picture quality and frame rate will be full, and the RS chip will be completely drained. Isn't this the ultimate performance you want to play games? Another upgrade is to quickly charge the 55 mAh battery and upgrade it to 120 watts, which has received high praise. The peak brightness of 6000 nits is required for BOE's customized dual screen, which must have brightness for eye protection and power saving, all of which are top-notch. In terms of appearance design, it's almost the same as Cia's. This is the color scheme of Kangai Hacker. Do you like it? The IP65 dust-proof, waterproof, and AI functions also have the advantages of C, and the performance is even more extreme. Friends who enjoy playing games really enjoy it, and the release of the Realme Buds Air 6 Pro is really good. The HiFi-level coaxial dual-unit high-res small gold standard and LDAC high-definition transmission have unique sound quality in this price range, combined with 50 dB deep sea noise reduction 2.0, which is really practical and cost-effective.